Good morning students. We are going to start lecture 5th of chapter 8 for the class 11 CBSE and RBSE medium. Okay. In previous lecture we have discussed about the balancing of redox reaction by half reaction method. Okay. In this method what we have done, we first of all divided a reaction into two parts, two half reactions. Then we balance the atoms except hydrogen or oxygen in both sides of arrow. Then we balance oxygen by adding water molecule. Then we oxygen HIN to balance hydrogen. After that we balance the charge. Okay. So the half reaction method in acidic medium we have discussed. Okay. Today we will discuss the half reaction method in basic medium. Okay. For example, we have a reaction like MnO4 negative plus I minus is equal to I2 plus MnO2. I2 plus MnO2. Okay. So this reaction we have to balance it is in basic medium by half reaction method. So first we will separate two half reactions. One half reaction is I minus I2 and another is MnO4 negative equals to MnO2. So there are two reactions. First, by multiplying 2, the atom of iodine on both sides is equal. Now we will balance the charge. Here is minus 2 charge, so we will add 2 electron here, and this equation is equation number 1. Okay. In this reaction what we will do? Here are 2 Mn, here are 4 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So we will add, magnesium is balanced, 2 oxygen is more here, so we will add 2 water molecule here, so oxygen becomes 4. On both sides it becomes equal. So now here 4 hydrogen, so we will add 4 hydrogen atom on this side. Okay. So here is total 3, here plus 3 charge is more, plus 4 minus 1 equals to plus 3 charge. So we will add plus 3 electron. Okay. So this is second equation. Okay. Now we will add both the reaction 1 plus 2. Okay. So 2I minus equals to I2 plus 2 electron and MnO4 negative plus 4 Hi plus 3 electron is equal to MnO2 plus 2H2. So it is multiplied by 2 and it is multiplied by 3. So total number of electron becomes equals. So 6I minus equals to 3I2 plus 6 electron, 2 MnO4 negative plus 8 Hin plus 6 electron equals to 2 MnO2 plus 4H2. 4H2. Clear? Add both reactions. 6 electron is cancelled out from 6 electron. Now come to the 6I minus plus 2 MnO4 negative plus 8 Hin equals to 3I2 plus 2 MnO2 plus 4H2. Okay. So these reactions after balancing. Now we will check whether we have right or wrong. Here 6I, 6I, 2 Mn, 2 Mn, 4 oxygen, 4 to the 8 oxygen, 2 to the 4 and 4, 8 oxygen. So oxygen is balanced out. Okay. Now 8 Hin, 4 to the 8 Hin. Okay. So on the part of atom reaction is balanced. Clear? Okay. We have done a wrong. If we are doing, so it is I am balancing. Okay. we have done? We have balanced this reaction in this way. See here, okay. So here -6, -8, -8 and +8. So their charge is 0. Clear? So this reaction is balanced in acidic medium. Okay. But if we have to balance this reaction in a basic medium, what we have to do? We have to do what? First we will separate both reactions, then we balance in a similar way like acidic. But what we will do? We will add same number of OH ion on both sides. If we have add 4 H ion here, so we will add, what we will do? We will add 4 OH ion on both sides. Okay. So see what changes occurs in this reaction if we are going to balance this. See, in this reaction, MnO4 negative plus 4H2 plus 3 electron equals to MnO2 plus 2H2 plus 4 OH. Okay. So it is cancelled out with 4H2. So we will get a MnO4 negative plus 2H2 plus 3 electron is equal to MnO2 plus 4H. So this reaction is second reaction. Okay. Now we will add first 1 plus 2. What is the major difference between if we are going to balance reaction in a basic medium? We have to add OH ion on both sides equal to the number of H ion. If H ion is 6, then we have to add 6 OH ion, 6 OH ion on both sides. Okay. So this 4H ion and this 4H ion becomes 4H2 and 2H2 is already present. So we will get a net 2H2 on the left hand side. Okay. So we will add first and second reaction. First reaction is 2I minus equals to I2 plus 2E. And second reaction is MnO4 negative plus 2H2O plus 3 electron is equal to MnO2 plus 4 OH ion. Okay. We will multiply first reaction by 3 and second reaction by 2. So this reaction becomes equals to 6I minus equals to 3I2 plus 6 electron. And 2 MnO4 negative plus 4H2 plus 6 electron is equal to 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH ion. Okay. So 6 electrons, 6 electron is cancelled out. So what we will get? 6I minus plus 2 MnO4 negative plus 4H2O is equal to 3I2 plus 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH ion. So 6I and 6I, 2Mn, 2Mn, 8O, 2 2 4, 4 2 is 8 and 4. So here is 12 oxygen. Here 2 2 is 4 and 8. So 12 oxygen. Now come to the hydrogen. Here 8 hydrogen and here again 8 hydrogen. So this reaction is balanced. And now on the part of atoms. Okay. And now we will calculate by charge. Here -6 and -2. So here we get -8 and here -8. So in this case reaction will be balanced out in this way. So there is difference between acidic balancing in acidic medium and balancing in basic medium. Major difference is addition of OH ion in basic medium on both sides, and in acidic medium we only add H ions to balance the reaction. Okay. So it is the balancing of reaction by half reaction method. Now we will see examples of disproportionation reaction, although we have discussed, but it's a very important reaction, so we have to know about this. Clear? What is disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation reaction is a reaction in which a substance is oxidized and reduced simultaneously. Okay, for example, we have many ClO3 negative. ClO3 negative is converting into ClO negative and ClO negative plus Cl negative. Okay, so see here. Here x, what is the oxidation number of Cl? X minus 6 equals to minus 1, so x equals to 5. So its oxidation number is 5. And here x minus 2 equals to minus 1, so x is equals to plus 1. And here it is minus 1. So what's going on? Decrease in x minus 6 equals to minus 1. So x equals to, okay. So ClO3 negative, ClO negative, ClO3 negative is ClO4 negative, sorry. ClO4 negative. So x minus 8 equals to minus 1, so x equals to 7. So here oxidation number is 7. Oxidation number is minus 1. So what is going on? Here increase in oxidation number. That's why this reaction is called oxidation. And here oxidation number is going to decrease. Okay, so it's a reduction. It's a reduction. Clear? Okay. Next example, see. ClO negative is converting into Cl minus plus ClO3 minus. Okay. So what will be the oxidation number of Cl? X minus 2 equals to minus 1, so x will be 1. Here oxidation number is minus 1. Here x minus 6 equals to minus 1, so x will be equals to plus 5. So what's going on? That the oxidation number is decreasing, so it's a reduction. Okay, and oxidation number is increasing, so it's a oxidation. Clear? So a species is going to oxidize and reduce simultaneously. So these both are the example of disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. Okay. If Fe plus 3 is converting into Fe plus 2, tell me which reaction is this? It is reduction. Okay. If SnCl2 is converting into SnCl4, tell the type of reaction. Here Sn is in plus 2, it is in plus 4 oxidation state. So increase in oxidation number, that's why it's a oxidation. So here take X as a reducing agent and here this as a oxidizing agent. Here iron Fe plus 3 acts as a oxidizing agent. The species whose reduction is going on acts as an oxidant and the species which is undergoing oxidation acts as a reductant. So it is all about the disproportionation reactions example. What is oxidizing agent and reducing agent? And how we will balance the half reaction method. How we will balance the redox reaction by half reaction method in acidic medium as well as in basic medium. Okay, so you do practice.